Hey, how's it going, lovely people? Doing a unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Just give you some quick specs here. The screen size is about 12.4 inches. Battery life probably gets you about 16 hours. Camera resolution, it's about 13 megapixels, depending on what camera you're using, front, back, different angles and things. It's got an S Pen, so it does come with a pen. The resolution is about 2800 by 1752. What else? Multi-touch screen. Let's see. Eye comfort, so it's got about 120 hertz a refresh rate. 3.36 gigahertz. It's a 8-core. Memory's about, it depends on which one you get, but memory is about, it's 12 gigabytes of RAM. It does have the ability to do the micro SD. They come in 3 different capacity is about 1 TB. Then you got the 512, I believe, which I got. There's 3 different types. I got the 512, I think, gigabytes storage. Let's see what else. You can do Wi-Fi, obviously. It's 13 megapixels, so if you're doing wide angle lens, I believe you get a little less as you change your, if you got panoramic view, you get a little less even. I forget the so the rear camera actually is 13 megapixels. There's a second rear camera which is 8 megapixels. So if you're doing the wide angle rear, it's 13 megapixels. If you're doing the ultra wide angle, you're about at 8 megapixel. Front lens camera, you're looking at about 12 megapixels at the ultra wide angle. So it's got about 4 speakers on it. What else? Yeah, so it's overall it's pretty nice. They do have an Ultra Galaxy S9, but the Ultras only comes in Wi-Fi only, so you can't get it from a let's say a carrier. The carriers don't carry it. You got to go straight through Samsung, and yeah, you can't hook it up like through a cellular wireless cellular company such as Verizon, Sprint, whatever, or T-Mobile now, right? You get about 16 hours of runtime. It's got about 10,090 milliamp hours. Yeah, I said the S Pen comes with an S Pen. So yeah, that's about it. Let me see if I can get you guys the specs pulled up here on my laptop. Give me a second. Alright, so I don't know if I can focus in on this here for you guys. These are some of the specs. Feel free to pause or whatever you need to do. These are some of the specs here on the laptop. Again, if you need to pause to go through some of these specs. Try to go slow here for you guys. Yeah, that's a good feature there. It max depth of water resistance 5 feet, and I heard it's about for 30 minutes, so you can submerge it for about 30 minutes without it burning out any chip within the tab or anything. So life limited one year warranty. So yeah, I mean overall I think it's a decent tablet. And I will start the unboxing.